Most people think losing belly fat requires intense workouts, exhausting routines, or spending hours in the gym. But what if I told you that one of the most powerful fat-burning tools is something you already do every single day? Something simple, natural, and completely free. And that is walking, because when done the right way, walking isn't just casual movement. It becomes a strategic fat-burning weapon that specifically targets stubborn belly fat, including the dangerous visceral fat stored deep around your organs. And the best part is you don't need any equipment, you don't need a gym membership, and you don't need to completely change your life overnight. You just need to understand how to walk smarter, not just more. Because most people are already walking, but they're not seeing results, and that's because they're missing a few key principles that make all the difference. The truth is, walking works because it puts your body in a fat-burning state without overstressing it, unlike intense workouts that can spike your hunger or leave you exhausted. Walking allows your body to use stored fat as fuel more efficiently, especially when done consistently. And this is why people who build a daily walking habit often see steady, sustainable fat loss over time. But if you want to speed things up and specifically target belly fat, you need to apply a few simple hacks that dramatically increase the effectiveness of every step you take. The first walking hack is something almost no one pays attention to, and that is your walking speed. Because slow, distracted walking won't give you the same results as intentional, brisk walking. When you walk at a faster pace, your heart rate increases, your body demands more energy, and you burn more calories, which directly contributes to fat loss. But this doesn't mean you need to run or push yourself to exhaustion. You just need to walk at a pace where you feel slightly out of breath, but still able to hold a conversation. This is often called the fat burning zone, and it's one of the most effective ways to burn visceral fat without overcomplicating things. Now, here's where it gets even more powerful. The second hack is timing your walks strategically, because when you walk matters almost as much as how you walk. One of the best times to walk for fat loss is in the morning, especially before eating, because your body has lower insulin levels and is more likely to use stored fat for energy. Even a simple 20 to 30-minute walk after waking up can set the tone for your entire day, boosting your metabolism and helping your body stay in fat-burning mode for longer. But if morning walks don't fit your schedule, don't worry, because another incredibly effective time to walk is right after meals, especially after lunch or dinner, because walking after eating helps regulate blood sugar levels, reduces fat storage, and improves digestion, making it a powerful tool for reducing belly fat over time. The third walking hack is something that can instantly double your results without adding extra time, and that is incorporating intervals into your walks. Instead of walking at the same pace the entire time, try alternating between normal walking and faster walking. For example, walk at a steady pace for 2 minutes, then speed up for 1 minute, and repeat this pattern throughout your walk. This simple change forces your body to work harder, increases calorie burn, and improves your cardiovascular fitness, all while keeping your walk interesting and engaging. And over time, these intervals can significantly accelerate fat loss, especially around your midsection. Another powerful but often overlooked hack is posture, because how you walk affects how your muscles engage and how your body burns energy. Most people walk with poor posture, shoulders slouched, head down, and core relaxed, which not only reduces efficiency but can also lead to discomfort or injury. Instead, you want to walk tall, keep your shoulders back, your chest up, and your core slightly engaged. This activates more muscles, especially in your abdominal area, and helps you burn more calories while also improving your overall appearance and confidence. Now, let's talk about something that can transform your results over time, and that is consistency, because no matter how effective these hacks are, they won't work if you don't stick with them. Walking is powerful because it's sustainable. It's something you can do every day without burning out. So instead of aiming for perfection, aim for consistency. Even if you can only walk for 15 or 20 minutes a day, that's enough to start seeing results if you stay consistent. And as your fitness improves, you can gradually increase your time or intensity. The next hack is increasing your daily steps without even thinking about it, because fat loss isn't just about workouts, it's about your total daily movement, something known as non-exercise activity. And this includes everything from walking to the store, taking the stairs, pacing while on the phone, or even doing household chores. All of these small movements add up and can significantly increase your calorie burn throughout the day. So instead of relying only on a single workout, look for opportunities to move more in your daily life, because these small actions can make a huge difference over time. Now, here's a simple trick that can make your walks even more effective, and that is using your arms. Swinging your arms naturally while walking increases your overall energy expenditure and helps maintain a steady rhythm. It may seem small, but over time it contributes to higher calorie burn and better coordination, making your walks more efficient. Let's also talk about walking environment, because where you walk can influence how long and how often you walk. Choosing a pleasant, safe, and enjoyable environment can make walking feel less like a chore and more like something you actually look forward to. Whether it's a park, a quiet street, or even a treadmill at home, the goal is to make walking a habit you enjoy, because enjoyment leads to consistency, and consistency leads to results. Now, if you really want to take things to the next level, consider adding light resistance to your walks. This could be something as simple as carrying light weights or wearing a backpack. This increases the intensity of your walk and forces your body to work harder, leading to greater calorie burn and faster fat loss. But this should be done carefully and gradually to avoid strain or injury. Another key factor that people often ignore is hydration, because even mild dehydration can reduce your energy levels and make your walks feel harder than they should be. Drinking enough water before and after your walk helps your body perform better and supports overall fat metabolism, making it easier to stay consistent and get better results. Now let's address something important. Walking alone won't magically burn belly fat if your diet is completely out of control. You still need to maintain a calorie deficit, meaning you burn more calories than you consume. But the beauty of walking is that it helps create that deficit without requiring extreme dieting. It allows you to eat reasonably while still losing fat, which makes the process much more sustainable and enjoyable. Sleep also plays a huge role in your results, because poor sleep disrupts your hormones, increases hunger, and makes it harder for your body to burn fat, including visceral fat. So if you're walking every day but not seeing results, your sleep habits might be the missing piece. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night to support your fat loss efforts. One of the biggest mistakes people make is expecting instant results, but fat loss doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process that requires patience and consistency. But the good news is that walking makes this process easier, because it's low impact, easy to stick with, and effective over time. So instead of looking for quick fixes, focus on building a routine you can maintain long term. And here's something powerful to remember. Every step you take is a step closer to your goal. It may not feel like much in the moment, but those steps add up day after day, week after week, creating real, visible change. And once you start seeing those results, once your energy improves, your clothes fit better, and your confidence grows, you'll realize that something as simple as walking can completely transform your body and your life. So if you have belly fat and you're feeling stuck, stop overcomplicating things. You don't need the perfect workout plan or the most advanced diet. You just need to start moving. Start walking with intention. Apply these simple hacks, stay consistent, and trust the process, because your body is designed to change when you give it the right conditions, and walking might just be the easiest, most underrated way to make that happen.